Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video. I wanted to come on real quick to share my page for Rosemary's open collaboration, hashtag color and create with us, you rock art. And I'll have Rosemary's channel down below. She's having this open collaboration this year where she picks out a page every Monday and we color it, and then we come back following Monday and share how we colored it. And it's so nice to see everybody's pages. Everybody picked different colors, different types of pens and pencils, and some of us use glitter glue, and it's just fun to see everybody's take on it. So this week's page is Corn on the Cob, and I just kind of colored it pretty simply, adding some darker yellow and darker green for some shadowing, I guess. I do like how it turned out. Love corn on the cob. It's so yummy. So yeah, that is my page. Now go and check out everybody's pages over at that hashtag up in my title and see everybody else's pages and how they colored it. So I want to thank Rosemary for this great collaboration, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye now.